Subscribe to Beautification channel for all craft and DIY videos. Also hit bell icon to get updates. It's totally free.
Hi guys, this is Purnima and today I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful wall hanging out of old bangles. So these are the requirements that you're going to be needing to make this beautiful wall hanging. Make a note and let's get started. So I'm taking these simple glass bangles and I'm taking flower stockings. I will take 2 flower stockings because I want the part of the bangles to be very strong. So I'm taking 2 flower stockings and I'm putting that on bangles as shown. I will put the free edges together and you can also stitch it, but I'm using stapler here to staple them together. Stapler is a very easy way and it is very quick way to complete this task. So stitching it or sewing it might take time, and whatever excess is there, as you can see on the top, I have cut that using a scissors, and you can see that there is a plain edge now, and it looks very neat and very tidy as I have used 2 flower stocking, but you can use 1 also. It completely up to your choice. Here I'm using a fabric glue, and you can take any glue. You can also take Fevicol here if you don't have fabric glue. So I'm just putting it on the edges as I want to decorate it, and I will use the gold bead chain here and I will put it on the edges. The decoration part is completely your choice how you want to decorate it. You can decorate it with paint. You can also paint flowers in it, or you can also put different kind of stones, different kind of lace, anything that you want, anything that you like to be in your wall hanging. So as you can see that I am putting layers of Fevicol here. I will also put small mirrors here. These small round mirrors are very nice. They give a very nice edge to your any decoration. They are very simple, but any decoration with these mirrors give a very extra touch and very nice touch. And as you can see that my mirror layer is done, I will also complete this outer decoration just by adding another layer of gold bead chain. Guys, these small mirrors are very easy to find. You can find it in any craft shop, or you can also make any if you don't have the small mirror, you can also add any kind of stones or any kind of decoration that you want. So once all the outer part of decoration is done, I'm just using this beautiful flower. This is lace flower that I already have, and I put that in the center. I have made 4 pink, 4 yellow and 2 oranges for the kind of wall hanging that I will use. So I'm using this metal circle. This is basically used in the key rings and all that, but it is perfect for if you want to make any wall hanging. You can use that. It's very easy to find, and it's very cheap as well. I got 5 metal rings with only 20 rupees, so it was easy to find and it was very cheap also. So as you can see that I'm starting on the wall hanging. So I'm taking this 7 gold beads and I have just inserted that into my thread here, and I'm using normal pom-pom, colorful pom-poms and normal beads. It's completely up to your choice. You can also use any kind of different beads, big beads, anything up to your choice how you want to decorate it. I really used small beads because the bangle part of the decoration is already big, so I don't want it to be extra, extra decorative and all that. So I'm using a needle here again, as you can see, just to sew on the bangles here. You have to be very careful, don't hurt yourself, and you have to also make sure that you're not poking the outside of the bangle. You're only poking the back side of the bangle where you will stick it. So I will repeat the same step, like 7 beads here, and then pom-pom, and then bead middle, and then pom-pom, and then 7 beads again. So I will repeat the same step again here. As you can see that I will make a color combination of pink, yellow, and then orange in the middle, and then I will repeat the same yellow and pink. So orange will be in the middle, so and then yellow and then pink, but it is completely up to choice. But I would really suggest you to use really colorful palette because it looks very nice. So once you reach the end, once you reach the pink like the pink bangles or any bangles that you might put in the end, I will show you how to make a complete finish touch which looks very nice. I have added 5 beads and then a pom-pom, and then I've added another bead, and then I will separate the 2 threads as shown, and I will add beads and decoration in both of the thread, as it will give a really nice edge to it. So as you can see that I will add 10 gold beads here, and you can add any more beads and any kind of decoration that you want, but make sure that whatever decoration you have used on top of the wall hanging, you use the same, because it will give a very nice edge and a complete uniformity towards your wall hanging. And I will add one more bead here as to complete a knot here, and I will, as you can see that I'm making a very simple knot here. You have to make at least 4 to 5 knots, 4 to 5 tight knots, because it's just a simple thread, and as to keep it tight you have to make at least 4 to 5 tight knots. And once you're done, you can also put a drop of Fevicol on top of knot so that it is secure. I will do the same decoration on both, and hence it is done. As you can see, pink, yellow, orange, and beautiful combination of pom-poms and beads. It looks super awesome. It was super easy to make. I have made 2 of this, and it looks super easy, guys, and it looks super beautiful with your wall decoration. You can add any more thing that you want, and it looks perfectly fine. It is use of old bangles that you already have in your vanity and you don't want to use them, so it is recyclable, and it is very simple and very beautiful to look at. So guys, if you like this video, hit like and subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos. Take care.